The NB Network with Dee's Photo.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today we are going to be unboxing Tamed Wild. I love this box. I really do. And you also you can store it like my wife does. This is so pretty. She wants to use these boxes to store stuff in. And yeah, I get it. I do too. They're just so cute. Anyway, let's get into talk about Tamed Wild and their tea subscription. Hi, I'm back. Let's talk about Tamed Wild subscription box. Now this box always is $20. Unless you want to just do a one-time purchase, then it's $25. So if you see one of the boxes that I'm reviewing, you're like, I really like that, then you can go ahead and order that until supplies are out. You know, it just sold out. But also, these boxes, what's really nice is they do include an herbal tea. This company, Tamed Wild Apothecary, they also have herbal tea subscriptions and a jewelry subscription. But if you get this, you get an herbal tea included always. Now, these boxes always contain a certain theme, an intention, ritual, tools, and instructions. So you get a full set of everything that you would need to do a certain ritual, to set your intentions. And this month is love, is the theme, which is really kind of cool. And there were 5 items in here, plus a card with all the instructions on different rituals and spells and how to use these tools that they provide for you. So yeah, this is I like that. I like that a lot about it. And let's go in. Now, they doesn't tell you, they don't say, hey, you're going to get this specific dollar value amount, or you're going to get this specific amount of items. I wish I could find something, an FAQ or something that would explain, so I can set my expectations. But it's just, you're going to get the tools. And it's going to be a deal of some kind, The products are going to be worth more than the $20. That's all, So, and another thing is on the card, when they give you a card like this and it tells you what's all in here, they don't give the pricing. So for you all, I go on their website, go into their shop, which they have an amazing shop. I do like to shop from them. And dig up all the prices so that we can discuss further. If I can't find the prices, or I can't find the items, oh well, I tried. But I do try and do some research beforehand so that when I do this video, you guys will get an idea if you are getting a deal and what things are worth, and if you want to shop there yourself, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the box of love. Hello, we're back. We're going to open up this cute little box. It's kind of weighted, so I'm like, ooh, there's some stuff. I hear things jiggle. I probably shouldn't shake it around. Sorry. Oh, I need more sleep maybe. What do you guys? Okay, trying to open this. This is like in there tight. Okay, you open up and the stuff flies out at you, but this is kind of what you get when you open it up. It's really kind of cute. This is a card that's telling you everything that's inside the box. This is the actual talks about this is Love Letters and Fairy Tales. This month calls for a paradigm shift, and we no longer view our daily life as mundane or predictable. Okay, well, this is it goes into the theme and the rituals that you can do with what we're going to find in here. So, woo-hoo. Now on top, the first thing I see is one of their booklets. These booklets are really neat. I actually keep them and store them on a table over here where I do tarot cards and such. And this one is just love stories of myth and lore. Just, it's got drawings and it talks about, let's see here, let's see here. They have Melisande, Helen of Troy, 1001 Nights, Cleopatra, Sappho, Tristan and Isolde, Selkies, Alphesius, and I can't, I'm tongue-tied. Arethusa, Bacchus and Philemon, the girl with the red slippers, Change to the moon, Lupercalia, Lilith and Adam, and then it talks about the authors of this book. So, pretty cool, pretty cool. Now this booklet, I told y'all I would do the research if you didn't, because there's chapters you could skip through, but this booklet is $8. That's a pretty good price for a booklet like this, and you can find it on their store. I think it could be sold out right now. I'm not sure. They might restock. I don't know. So, but that's that for here. And here is the, as they said, always include a tea. And the teas are usually in a theme with the ritual, which is so cool. And this is the Heart Chakra tea. It contains hibiscus petals, orange zest, lemon balm, cloves, lavender, licorice root, and stevia. I really think this sounds so good. Hearts are wild creatures. That's why our ribs are cages. That's cute. I like that. So this tea is for, calming and the stress. And this tea, they have several different sizes, and the regular size is just $9. And I think it's a little bigger than this. Or is this the big one? I got to double check. Now, the next thing we have in here, oh, cuteness. This must be the Love Letters note card kit. This, sealed. It's sealed. I want to open it up to show you. We can do this, right? We can. I did it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Each card there's different pictures on these little cards. So pretty. Oh my goodness. They're supposed to write love letters in here, and there's little envelopes to put them in. This is really cute stationery. Oh, I like this. I really do. That is so neat. And this note card kit, how much does this cost? It's only $6. That's a good deal, and you get 5 cards in here. So that's neat. I like this. I like this. And these are, you can write these to yourself. And they even talk about writing to your inner child and your childhood self and your present self, your future self, a mentor, deity, lover, or a stranger that you find inspiration and comfort for in the outlook of life. So that's what they're saying. You can do these different, and it talks about, now it also comes with what I think is super cool, super cool in this box. This is a wax and stamp to seal those cards. Now, you after the wax stick is lit, drip a few drops of wax onto the envelope and press the stamp to seal. The wax not only preserves the intentions with each letter, but for extra magical potency, you can sprinkle a pinch of heart chakra tea or another herb of choice into the melted wax before pressing in the stamp. That is so neat. Oh, I want to pull this out. I want to see what the stamp looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't think, can I get a, okay, kind of see the image of it. And
kind of looks like a penny.
Yeah, and then there's a gold wax, which is really neat. Okay, put this down. And this kit, let's see here, this wax and stamp kit is worth $14. I think that's a really nice price for a kit set like this that you can use, and you use it with the little note cards you got. Well, this is really turning out nice. Now there is 5 items in this box, because I've got this here and another one in there. Now this is heart-shaped agate crystal, tumble stones. Now a 3-pack of this costs $12, but this is just 2, so I'm guessing this is like $8 worth of crystals here. Yeah, so that's super adorbs, right? That is. And they feel really nice, and they're very pretty. You keep these in your pocket, hold on to them, to help just remind you love yourself, what you love in life, and the positive things think about. And it talks about how to use that like this in here. And the very last thing here is cuticle oil. Now this is for part of self-care. Now I'm not sure how it fits in, but it's for your self-care. It is from Dana Nail Junkie. It is Wild Witch Wisteria with vitamin E, 100% pure sweet almond oil, contains natural rose quartz chips, and promotes self-love. So yeah, it's infused with crystal. So it's not like your normal cuticle oil. It does smell lovely. Okay. It's a little, most cuticle oils are strong. I'm like putting it on my cuticles right now because I just felt like testing it out. It's got a nice, clean, fresh scent. So this is part of a self-care, love yourself ritual. That is really cute. Now this cuticle oils does sell for $9. So my grand total here is, we're going to get into the wrap up of all this, and I'll give you a grand total, and I'll give you the savings and my final thoughts in just the next. Okay, now to wrap this all up, we got this cute love story, book of love stories. Get you in that lovey mood. We got the Heart Agate crystals. We have the self-care with rose quartz infused and cuticle oil that helps with your, remember to love yourself. We have the heart chakra tea, which you can also use some of it when you seal a love letter that you're writing to yourself, to other, to the, they give you different ideas of who to write the love letters to. And then you seal it with this as your intentions. This really is, I like the tools that you provide that are provided here. I think it's pretty well thought out. This part is a little confusing to me, but I am also like, not mad. I'm not mad about it. No, I'm like, okay. Do I think this was worth $20? Yeah, I do. I think this was a good deal. And also, now this box with the total would be about, let's see here, $54 is the grand total. So that's a savings of $34. So I did save money by buying it in a kit like this than if I had bought these items separately at their shop. So you do definitely get a better deal by using their subscription box than just ordering directly individual items on their site. And they do put a lot of care into these packages and lots of thought. And I just, it's always something refreshing to see come from them. They also have on their website a blog that has so much information. And there's so much reading material that's really interesting. It talks about, there's crystals, there's goddesses, there's self-care, there's everything you can practically imagine. And they talk about different witches and the lore, and it's really, you've got so much information on their website blog, which, you should check that out too. I liked Tamed Wild. You know what? I don't think this company's really ever let me down. I mean, when I got my first box and it was like I had leaked perfume all over the place and I was missing the worry dolls, I'm talking within an hour or so of me contacting them, I had a response and they had already shipped out fresh things for me. I replaced the items. And so I think, because nothing's going to be perfect, but this company has shown me that they do care about us, their consumers, and put a lot of thought in things and do believe in their products. So, yay. So, yeah, if you want to subscribe to Tamed Wild, I will put a link down below. I don't think I have a referral link. If it is a referral link, I will mention that it's a referral link. Now, remember, these boxes, this is not promotional material. This is not, getting money from them, and they're not free PR. This is not PR or sponsored. These videos are just me giving my raw and unbiased opinions on things and kind of let you know what's going on. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs button, subscribe to this channel, share this video. I hope to see all you lovely people We'll again soon again.